boys and girls, guess what we got? Another 6.1 liter Hemi SRT Charger. Beautifully finished in this sexy blue. You don't see much Chargers in this color. It's really nicely done. He just bought it, guys. So we put high flow cats there and there. Still got all the sensors and all that good stuff. Then got factory X pipe. We put some FLOWMASTER Outlaws. Part number 15430 right there. There will be a link in the description for them, as you guys can see there. And then it was already straight piped out the back by somebody else, but he wanted to change the tips, so we put him some carbon fiber tips there and there, made in Slovenia. There'll be a link in the description for them also, out the back on each side, to accent that beautiful blue. Sexy color right there. Got custom lights, got everything. There's the two FLOWMASTERs that were on it. One of them had a really bad crack and it was rattling. It's like, I wanted to change the sound anyway, so we went ahead and changed it for him. And there's the tips that were on it. That's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you subscribe. Much cleaner. Wow. That sounds fantastic. Wow, guys. This is a beast of a car. Your sound decibels? Go ahead. Again? 118. Wow. That's awesome. It's so perfect. Like always, FLOWMASTERs don't disappoint. Go ahead and back it out. I like that color on it too.
Actually, it matches my shirt.
SRT8, guys. 6.1 liter. Distinctive sound. Look at them converters working. It's a little bit cold. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger SRT8 6.1 liter, custom paint, and now it's got custom exhaust, high flow cats, FLOWMASTER Outlaws, and carbon fiber tips, straight pipe out the back. That's the sexy car. I like it. I like it. I need one of these in my life too. I like them when they're customized because it gives the person's character, not your average car, you know. They can all look the same, but when you see these cars, you can get them customized to your taste. Everybody's different. Nice idle to it too. There we go. Oh yeah, baby. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys.